and my whole family here. Woo! And me.
Wow, all right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah.
What's that? Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show. Now. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town. But I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait. Is that for you? Congratulations on it.
My nephew Ethan, my nephew Joshua, and my daughter Ashley, and my whole family here. Woo! And me. Say hi. 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 Hey, give me. You show me your face.
I'll show you my face, okay? I'm just kidding. This is why you couldn't catch them.
Oh, sorry.
Extra saltiness.
Oh,
Bruh.
ugly face. Now my mother-in-law, she likes the speed. How so easy. My whole family. I just stopped. Yeah, even Avatar. I told you, the Uncle Felix said, shut up, do something. So they try to shut up and close eyes.
I like
Crazy?
that. I just close my eyes and then just go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and they splash water.
That wasn't too bad. Dad said it was like a sword. I don't get how
The feel good, but I don't like it. The feel was real. You are in
Yeah,
the mood.
the typhoon. Oh, yeah. That's the name of it.
That is Nemo face. Onion. Can you do like this?
So I make it talk.
I can do fish language. Wow. Long line.
This is the only time that the bands are actually just sport.
Oh, we got company. Wow, all right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah.
What's that? Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager. She's usually not like this,
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Chris, can you grab my blacklist ball?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey, wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah,
Come on. Make it happen.
Come on.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sally. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Okay. folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, is that for you?
Congratulations on the
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Don't forget the thumbs up.